Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure the Iktissab Balance runs firmware v1, 2 or later and has at least a 50% charge. This prevents drift and connection loss. Next, open the companion app and pair via Bluetooth or plug-in with USB-C so the device and app share calibration data. Once paired, set your primary profile, choose weight units, sensitivity, and a target balance value, because these determine measurement resolution and how the device interprets inputs. Now you calibrate and start measuring. Place the balance on a rigid, level surface and use the built-in bubble indicator so measurements stay accurate. Uneven placement introduces systematic error. Then run the auto-calibration routine and wait 30 to 60 seconds for stabilization before saving the baseline, because thermal drift settles in that window. Once baseline is set, apply samples incrementally and watch live readouts. Enable the smoothing filter if you see jitter to average transient spikes, while to finish, save and export your session. Write logs locally or sync to cloud so you can analyze trends later. Power down the Iktissab Balance through the app to preserve calibration and store it on a non-magnetic, vibration-free surface. If readings become unstable, relevel the unit and repeat the calibration. These 2 steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, update firmware and inspect the cable or Bluetooth link. Faulty connectivity or outdated firmware often causes persistent drift or missed samples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.